what's up? It's Kristen and
Brooklyn.
Today we're doing a Trendsend unboxing. So with Trendsend, all they do is charge you $1 fee, and that's your styling fee. You get multiple items, and in the box you get your paperwork, which has the prices.
And then your return label if you want to return anything.
Yeah. And then they give you it looks like 3 bundles here. So let's pull them out. Yeah, 3 bundles.
This one's really thin.
Yeah. So let's put this box down here. And then I guess this is the price sheet in here. My voice cracked there. Yep. And then it's the outfits. Hi, Kristen. Oh, a little heart.
Stylist is Erica.
Oh, wow. Some of the stuff is cheaper than the last box.
Yeah, like the cheapest
There's
thing
a lot of stuff in here.
Is $28, which the cheapest thing probably on the last video we did was like $50.
Expensive.
Yeah, like
it was
really
very expensive. Okay, so want to do the first bundle. Yeah. We'll see which outfit this is.
And then it says,
let's move this over.
Outdream yourself on like the little thing.
Yep.
And then, ooh, a cute color.
Oh. Yeah. We'll move this.
It's a, like, ooh.
Oh, it's like a t-shirt dress, like one piece.
Yeah, like a t-shirt dress, and like there's riffles.
That's cute.
And
what does it
like
say on the tag?
It's rosy scrunch dress.
How much is it?
It's $49.99, and it was originally $68.
Let's put it up on the screen so they can see it.
They put it down.
There you go.
The price. They marked it.
That's a pretty color. It's kind of like a washed red.
Yeah,
color.
It's like a rose color.
Very cute. Okay. That's the first outfit. That's a whole outfit.
This is a heavy one. Feel this one.
Oh, wow, that is heavy.
And then it says, "She who dares wins."
Okay.
Cute saying.
That is cute.
You used to always get the mama one, whatever.
Oh,
yeah.
mama, yep. Mm-hmm. This here
is like an open cardigan, and I like how it's tied.
This is outfit 3. Oh, yeah, that's cute. What is it called?
It's called Striped Tie Cardigan.
And it is $58. You guys can see. And then they have that paired with
just a white, comfortable t-shirt. This is really comfortable material.
That's pretty, like bells out.
It's
at the bottom.
Tory ribbed tank, and it's $38.
Very cute. Very cute.
You want to open the next thing? This looks cute.
Okay, you can do it.
Okay. There's this bell-sleeved shirt.
That's cute.
Really cute.
We can hold it up together.
And it's a viola embroidered tee.
Viola embroidered tee, and it's $89. Whoa.
Oh no, Kristen.
That's
you're
a little
not gonna
pricey.
Be happy with this. Another pair of jeans.
Oh.
Oh,
no.
Shorts. Oh no.
They're too long for me.
They're too long. They are
tiny.
Catherine boyfriend shorts. They're $69.
And they're cut from the cloth. $69 for this.
That's a little.
Whoa, that's a little steep.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have distressing on them.
Yeah, I
and
like
this
distressing.
One says "You're Enough," and then this is what like it looks like inside.
That's the bundle. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff in there. It looks like. Oh, this is cute.
You do this one.
This is cute. Oh, I like this.
Oh yeah, that's really cute. Like where like vacay or like when you're just like hanging around.
Yeah, look at that.
I
like the design.
That's really cute.
That is nice. This is Ever Eve Allison Joy Pink Palm, $58.
Palm Springs tank.
Wow, I like that. That's cute.
That's really cute. And
we'll
then
keep the outfits separate.
Next thing is just this regular tank top. Is this the front or the back? But then I think this is the front.
You could wear it reversible, I think.
I think it's reversible, but you can't really see it on the camera. It's like netted.
Yeah.
And it says caged tank in the color navy, and it's $28.
That's really cute.
And I don't know
Soft.
if it's just me, but like the sign on this reminds me of like Tory Burch or like Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, it does. It's like a mixture.
Here you go.
Okay. Oh, God, a sweater? Okay,
cute.
It's a sweater. Oh, that is cute. It's like bell sleeves.
Oh, that is really cute.
Like that. It's kind of see-through. So it's on sale. It's Ever Eve Jameson, and it was $88.
And
it was down to $49.99. Now it's down to $29.99. That's not
really
bad.
Good deal, and it's really comfortable.
I could probably wear this to work.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
Then you're not gonna like the next thing.
Why?
It's jeans.
Are they on sale? Oh, they're cute.
They are on sale. They were $108. Now they're $49.99.
Wow, $108 for a pair of jeans.
They're
soft.
Yeah,
what kind is it? Oh, Black New York. I love this brand.
They have like little distressing on the bottom, some distressing at the top, no distressing
I love these.
on the back.
I like these.
They're really cute.
I don't own any light color
They still
distressing.
have this on it.
Oh!
They left this on
They left the sensor on it. Oh no.
I wonder if we could like go to like a store and get it off.
I probably can get it off myself. Probably just pry it off. Yeah, like I could just pry it off.
Probably.
Okay, so I've never received one with a sensor on it. That's crazy. Maybe they'll give me a discount if I tell them there's a sensor on it.
Maybe.
So this is the Blank New York. They were they're size 25.
And their girlfriend jeans.
A Good Times girlfriend. They were $108 and they're down to $49.99.
That's a good deal.
That is a really good deal. They're more than half off. And I like this brand. I have a pair of jeans of this.
Yeah.
And I kept them from there. Oh, I like this.
Oh, there's like a little like distressing on that's really cute.
Okay, so guess what? I'm going to try these on and see what it looks like. And try to get the sensor off. Hey guys, so what I decided to keep was actually this blue sweater, which is really cute for $29.99. That's a no-brainer. It was originally $88. And
then we finally got the sensor off of these jeans after like 30 minutes, but she's keeping these cute distressed cut jeans.
Yeah, for $49. They're a deal.
Yeah, they are.
I'm keeping them. All right, thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye.